After watching this video, you'll start building habits that attract money and change your life forever. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to attract money effortlessly while others work hard and still struggle paycheck to paycheck? It's not just luck, it's habits. Because the truth is, wealth isn't something you chase. It's something you attract by the way you live every single day. So in this video, I'm breaking down the daily habits that rich people live by, the ones that literally rewire your brain and pull money toward you like a magnet. Stay locked in, because the difference between being broke and being rich might just be in the next 4 minutes. Before we start, please leave a like. It takes a lot of hard work to bring you these life-changing lessons. Habit number 1, morning mindset. Reset. How you start your day decides how your money flows. Rich people don't wake up and scroll. They wake up and focus. Within the first 30 minutes, they set intentions, review their goals, and visualize success. Why? Because your brain filters what you focus on. If your morning energy screams, "I'm broke," that's exactly what you'll attract. Start your day by asking, what's one action I can take today that moves me closer to financial freedom? That single question plants the seed that grows your success. Habit number 2, learning over entertainment. The average person spends over 3 hours a day on entertainment. The wealthy? They spend that time learning skills that make them money. Every podcast, book, or YouTube video they consume has one purpose: to sharpen the mind. Because the more you learn, the more you earn. So next time you're about to binge watch another show, ask yourself, is this helping me grow or just keeping me broke? That one decision, repeated daily, can change your entire net worth. Habit number 3, tracking every dollar. This one sounds boring, but it's pure gold. Rich people know exactly where their money goes. They track every dollar, not to restrict themselves, but to control the game. You can't manage what you don't measure. If you can tell me exactly how much you spent this week, you're already ahead of 90% of people, because money loves clarity, and it runs away from confusion. Quick check. Before we move to the next habit, let me ask you, do you remember the first 3 habits? If yes, you're already in the top 5%. If not, it's okay. That's exactly why you need self-improvement videos like this one. Habit number 4, networking intentionally. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang around broke thinkers, you'll inherit their limits. But when you surround yourself with people who talk ideas, business, and growth, you level up naturally. Every week, aim to connect with at least one person who's doing better than you. Take notes, ask questions, add value. That's how you attract opportunity. Not by luck, but by proximity. Now, pause before the final habit. If you've made it this far, it means you truly want to change and make money. So listen, our channel is built to help you do exactly that. Hit subscribe now, or you'll miss the videos that could completely shift your mindset and your future. Finally, habit number 5, taking daily action. This is the most important one, because rich habits mean nothing without movement. Every single day, do one small thing that builds your future. Make that call, start that side hustle, save that $10, because small moves stacked daily create unstoppable momentum. If you want to attract money, stop chasing it. Build the mindset, build the habits, build yourself, because when you do, the money follows. If this video sparked something inside you, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping new videos every week to help you level up your money, your mindset, and your life. See you in the next video, and remember, keep growing, keep winning.